guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Nikki of Vlog by nikicharmz. So today's video is part of the Christmas series. I am at my client's place and I am filming a video of me setting up her Christmas tree, decorating it. I'm bringing in some of her old stuff as well as new stuff that we purchased from Hobby Lobby. So you'll get to see everything that I incorporate into this tree. And yes, it's a real tree, so it's gonna be beautiful. It's smelling great in here as well. So stay tuned and continue to watch. Also, I did a new thing with my hair for the season. I cut it off. You could call me Babiana. Let me know in the comments if you're feeling this look, or if you're not, keep your comments to yourself. For this tree, we are using red, pink, and gold ornaments. So we got some from Hobby Lobby, which were pink ornaments. It has silver and like some pearl balls in it, but we're gonna just take out the pink and maybe the pearls. So I have these gold ones that I'll be adding towards it. And we have these big shimmery pink ones. Also these, which is very pretty. Also have these pink snowflake looking ones as well. And all of these that I just showed you are from Hobby Lobby. And these are the ones that she had from the year before, which is this cute gold star that will be on top of the tree. So it'll be very blinged out. Some of her ornaments from last year, which is the red. I think this is gold or like a rose gold. And some of these as well. Like I said, we'll play around with it and see which we keep and which we take away. Hey guys, so after creating this look, I'm not really feeling it too much, so I'm actually gonna spruce it up and add some pizzazz. We're gonna add some balloons into it and add a little more extraness that it needs to bring this tree to life. So I made some clusters with some pink or rose gold, if you want to call it that, and some gold. So we're gonna add these into the tree since it blends in with the floor, as you can see. I'm gonna add these in and give this tree a little more pizzazz that it needs. Now I'm removing all the ornaments off the tree. I'm gonna keep in the lights, but I'm removing the ornaments and I'm gonna add in the balloons, and then we can style it once again. Okay, so I have my gold balloons and I'm adding some clear balloons into it as well. I already blew up and made clusters for the chrome and the gold. So these will be added into the tree. Now I'm gonna blow up the balloon. So make it big or small, however you please. I'm using my manual pump. Put about 2-3 pumps in each. 5-inch balloons. Release some air to make a perfect circle. Crisscross, wrap it around, and tie it off. And this is a dupe. 2 balloons are dupes. Moving on to my clear balloons. And since I'm only doing a little, only doing about 8 balloons, I'm gonna use my manual pump to pump it. I'm not gonna fill it to capacity. Kind of want it rather a little small like this. I have 2 different sizes, and then we're gonna make another pair of these. Okay, now I'm gonna make mini garlands. So I'm taking my T60Q balloon, I'm stretching it out, and I'm using this end, not the open end, but the closed end, and I'm wrapping it around my balloon, and I'm tying it, leaving a little piece so you can wrap it into the tree. And then I'm taking another balloon and stacking it on top of each other and wrapping it around, doing the same once again, and around again. I'm gonna add one of my clusters in, one of my clear balloons in, and just tap it on top of the other one, wrapping it again. Take another gold, And just keep stacking it on top of each other in opposite directions until you get the desired length you're looking for. This is where I want to end it because it's a mini cluster or a mini garland. And I'm just going to continue to wrap it around the balloons so it is secure. Not finished. I wanted to add one more in, so I'm just going to wrap it around once again. Here we go. We have a mini garland. I've added it to the top of the tree. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm taking my first set of clusters, which is the smaller ones. I'm going to add it to the top. I'm not sure if I want to do it all coming down or if I want to do it wrapped around. We'll see. So I'm just going to open up the tree a little bit. I can put this balloon in and it does not pop. Reach it in. Same for this side. Until I feel ready. So I'm moving on to the other side. Down like this. I may not even use the clear balloons, but I just blew it up just in case. Just wrapping it around the branch and then wrapping it back around the balloon so that it's secure. Some extraness already, with how it is. So pretty.
Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. Rockin' around, 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 rockin', 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 rockin'.
It's so pretty, just like this with the lights. Now we're gonna add back in the ornaments and give this tree what it needs. I'm gonna add these balls and these snowflakes. I'm adding a few of these clusters that I made. I'm starting with the silver, I have gold, and I have pink as well. Now that I have all the ornaments up, I'm gonna add some ribbon. I'm gonna add this ribbon. I added it to her wreath, so I'm gonna add it to the tree as well. So pretty. It's cream, gold, and silver. This part of the ribbon that I just folded, making little loops, and I tied it off with a 260 balloon, so I could just easily wrap it into the tree. I'll show you guys how to do this. I'm rolling out some. You want a good amount. It all depends on how thick you want the loops to be or how long you want the loops to be. So now I cut off the piece. And now you just fold it to little loops. Do about 3 or 4 loops with this length. See, have your little loops. Change it up a little bit. And here's the final results. I hope this video was very fun and festive, and if it was, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, be blessed, guys.